Hi, it's Natalie at Secret Sauce. In this episode, I will show you how to make tamarind chicken curry with spinach and coconut cream. Make us your sous chef and we will help you make delicious and nutritious meals quickly and from scratch, whilst you focus on other important areas in your life. Let's get cooking. You'll need 1 jar of Secret Sauce tamarind curry cooking sauce. This sauce is made with lots of different herbs, including 3 different forms of chili, so that it will offer a gradual layering of spiciness in the curry. Check it out. And 400 grams of boneless chicken, 10 cherry tomatoes, 1 espresso cup of water, spinach, as much as you'd like, and 100 grams of coconut cream, which is optional. Here we go. On a heated pan, sauté chicken in oil for a few minutes. When browned, add in a jar of tamarind curry sauce and mix it well. Remember, Secret Sauce ready-made cooking sauces are made with all natural ingredients. Nothing artificial, so no shortcuts. It already smells so good. It's those curry leaves. When you can see that the chicken is well seared, add in tomatoes. Then an espresso cup of water, cover and simmer for no more than 10 minutes. Less if you cook with breast meat or slices instead of chunks. When that's ready, add in spinach, and this first batch is about 100 grams. Wilt the spinach slowly and then stir in the coconut cream. This is optional but is super yummy. It makes the curry slightly creamy, and the more cream you add, the curry will become less spicy. Then, if you like more spinach, like me, just wilt more spinach into the curry. Now once all the spinach is wilted into the curry, it will be ready to be served. Just look at that. Doesn't that look mouth-watering? Serve with rice and more vegetables if you'd like. I often make keto rice, which is low carb and high in fiber. This curry is my personal favorite from the Secret Sauce range, or enjoy it with fragrant turmeric butter rice. A popular recipe is our vegan tamarind curry pepper soup with beluga lentils, and I also love to have it with tiger prawns. It's also so tasty with stewed lamb or beef. A vegan tofu and vegetables curry here. As a marinade for meats, especially game, in this instance, guinea fowl. Now come join the Secret Sauce family. Explore and widen your taste horizon and find your personal favorite secret sauce. Please like our video, then subscribe to our channel and be notified on our new videos. Till next time, eat well, stay healthy, and be lost in flavor with Secret Sauce. Thank you for watching.